Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn a very important topic in English. Use of be, been, and being. Many people get confused. When to use be, when to use been, and when to use being. But don't worry. Today I will explain this in a very easy and practical way. So by the end of this video, you will never be confused again. Let me ask you something. Which sentence is correct? I have be there. No. I have been there. Why been, not be? And what about this? He is being rude. He is rude. Both are correct, but different meaning. So today, we will understand all this, step by step. Let's start with be. Be is the base form of the verb. It is used with modal verbs, can, should, will, must. To infinitive, to be. Examples. I want to be a doctor. You should be happy. She will be there. We must be careful. Simple trick. Whenever you see to or modal verbs, use be. Wrong. I want to be a doctor. Correct. I want to be a doctor. Now let's understand been. Been is the past participle of be, and it is always used with have, has, and had. Structure. Have, has, and had plus been. Examples. I have been busy. She has been to Delhi. They have been working hard. We had been waiting for you. Important use. Experience. I have been to Mumbai State. He has been sick. Continuous action, perfect continuous. I have been studying for 2 hours. Simple trick. Whenever you see have, has, and had, use been. Wrong. I have be there. Correct. I have been there. Now the most confusing one. Being. Being is used in continuous forms. Structure. Am, is, are, was, and were plus being. Example. He is being rude. She is being very kind. The work is being done. Important point. Being shows temporary behavior, right now. Example. He is rude, his nature. He is being rude, right now behavior. Passive voice. The work is being done. The food is being prepared. Simple trick. If action is happening right now, or in passive continuous, use being. Let's quickly compare all three. Be base form. Been with have, has, and had. Being continuous action. Example set. I want to be happy. I have been happy. I am being happy. Less common but possible in context. Another example. He will be there. He has been there. He is being there. Wrong. Now let's practice. Fill in the blank. I have working all day. Been. She wants to blank a singer. Be. He is very polite today. Being. Very good. So today we learned be, been, and being in a very simple way. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment. And tell me in the comments, which part was most helpful for you? I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and keep improving your English.